Today we're out at the Painted Tree community taking a look at one of the Drees Custom Homes that'll be move-in ready at the end of May. Let's take a look at this available Drees Custom Home in Painted Tree, McKinney, Texas. As we enter in, you can see all this natural light coming in from the windows from the entryway. Opening up to this beautiful staircase on the left and this huge, massive island in your chef's kitchen. Look at how it opens up as it has the open concept design that flows into your entertaining space. Back over at the kitchen, you have all this counter space on your extended island for having a buffet line or potluck with your friends or family. With this extended island, you have these massive storage areas underneath. And on the other side, you have all this space with your KitchenAid appliances. Deep storage space all the way along. You can put in your trash right here and just storage everywhere. Nice sized farmhouse sink, 6 burners on this KitchenAid stove, and above we have this vent. And with it in the cupboard, you actually have some storage space around your vent. Over here, you got a double oven, great for entertaining days when you're wanting to cook a lot of stuff at once. You also got the microwave oven right above it, flowing right into the rest of the kitchen. And over here is your walk-in pantry, plenty of space. More storage along the side, nice lit countertop space. And across from the kitchen, there's this space here right next to your stairs that you can put a Christmas tree, an art statue, whatever you'd like as a focal point during the holidays or through the year. Let's go into the primary suite. Along the way, here's a half bath for your guests. As we enter the primary suite, there's this space where there's multiple ideas on how you can utilize it. What do you think you want to do with it? And in here, we got nice size area for all your furniture, nice view out to your backyard, plenty of light coming in, a raised ceiling giving that luxurious extra space above. And into the primary bathroom suite, you have this freestanding tub. You can set the shower temperature outside of the spray, and then once it's ready, walk on in. You got dual shower heads to where when you're getting ready in the morning, you don't have to share the time in there. You can get in whenever you want. And over here, we have dual sinks. Again, you don't have to wait for each other. You can get ready at the same time. Back here, more storage space. Toilet room. And then into here, you have a nice large size primary closet. Plenty of space to store all your clothes, multiple hanging rods already. And over here in the nice size laundry room, you already have a couple of cabinets for storage space, hookups right here. You got power on both walls to where you can decide what you want along the sides, whether it's more storage for laundry space, a countertop for folding, or if you want a second refrigerator or freezer, you can put it along here.
Garage door open.
Obviously, there's the security system. Out here is your 2-car garage. You got a little nook back here that gives you some extra storage space. Let's go back inside. Back inside, right off of both the laundry room and the 2-car garage, is your mudroom section, where you can hang all your clothes as you come in, store your shoes down below, and there's a nice little shelf above for your keys and whatever else you want to store, right, easy to access on your way out. Which leads us back to the front. And right off of the front is this office/study with this nice chandelier and a view out to your front yard. Brings in all that natural light once again to where you're not isolated as you're working through the day. Now over here, right off the front again, Here's your single bay garage with all these windows letting in natural light. Coming in from the single bay garage or the front entryway, we have this second bedroom suite on the first floor that has an ensuite bath with this nice sized shower. And through the bathroom, you have this walk-in closet. Let's go back out to the main area. Let's head upstairs. On the way, there's this coat closet. I love the angle of the staircase as it wraps around the main area of the house. Got this nice focal point, the chandelier as we go up. Which brings us to the landing that flows right into this nice sized game room. Again, all these windows with natural light as you're playing games together. And here's the media room. And over here, all your cables for your entertainment needs. Let's check out the other bedroom, starting with this one. We got an ensuite bath with a walk-in closet on the side. And over here, you got this overlook, looking down the stairwell into your kitchen area. Over here, you can set this up as a reading nook, a little library, plenty of ideas that you can do over here. Back this way is the hall bath for the upstairs. And right off of that is the next bedroom that has another walk-in closet. As we head outside, you'll notice that we have two doors. You got your quick access door, then we got this entertainment door. And we walk out to this nice sized covered patio. Great for entertaining. They have all this yard space that wraps around the side of the house. To schedule a tour or to learn more, reach out and let's make your dream home a reality. Not walk into that. Gosh.